Imagine if every customer messaging your business on WhatsApp instantly receive intelligent replies, personalized product recommendations, and real-time support without your team typing a single message manually. Sounds interesting? Well, businesses are using AI-powered sales assistant to automate conversations, qualify leads, and increase conversations automatically. And in this video, I'll show you step by step how to build your own AI sales assistant using GPT-4 integration and Pabbly Chatflow without coding. In today's time, customers don't want to wait. If your business takes too long to respond, most people simply leave and buy from someone else. That's exactly why AI automation is becoming one of the biggest opportunities for businesses. So instead of manually handling every message, you can now create an AI assistant that can reply instantly, answer questions naturally, recommend products, and give follow-ups 24/7. Traditional chatbots only fixed with buttons and predefined replies, but GPT-4 takes automation to another level. Now your chatbot can actually understand the user's intent. This creates conversation that feels natural instead of robotic. And to make this type of automated WhatsApp AI assistant, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow. See, Pabbly Chatflow is one of the most powerful platforms for WhatsApp automation because it allows businesses to create complete chatbot system without coding. And even you can integrate GPT-4 AI assistant very easily. So instead of manually replying to every customer's business can provide instant responses 24/7 and improves customer engagement automatically. So whether you run an online store, agency, restaurant, or any service business, Pabbly Chatflow helps you to automate conversations and increase conversions efficiently. Using this feature, you can train your AI assistant with your own business knowledge base, allowing it to give accurate and personalized responses to customers automatically. So without wasting any time, let me walk you through how you can create this type of powerful AI assistant for your business. Alright, so this is the AI assistant feature of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect. But if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/chatflow and run the sign up process. And once you do this, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. But before we proceed, I have something extremely valuable for you. If you also want to create this type of amazing WhatsApp AI assistant for your own business, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. So right now I am inside the assistant feature of Pabbly Chatflow, and this is where the real magic happens. Using this feature, you can train your AI assistant using your own business knowledge base. So the AI assistant can answer customer questions automatically based on your products, services, and much more. For creating a new AI assistant, you just have to click on this plus add AI assistant button. I have already created some before, so I'm directly going in this one. See, this is the starting point of doing the setup of AI assistant, where at first you have to select the instructions type. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of instructions. I have selected my instructions type as AI agent, and as soon as I have selected the instructions type, it will automatically generate the instructions in this field. Instructions defines how the AI should behave and how AI assistant replies to your user. In simple terms, these are the rules that AI assistant needs to follow. After that, I have entered the temperature as 0.5. Temperature controls the creativity level of AI assistant. Lower temperature gives stable and accurate values, while higher temperature gives creative and flexible responses. Next, I have selected the model provider as OpenAI. Now next is the most powerful selection, where you just have to select the GPT model. It will provide you multiple types of models. You can select anyone according to your choice. I am selecting the model as GPT-4 mini. After selecting the GPT model, you just have to paste the API key in this field. For getting this API key, you just have to go towards your OpenAI platform. Once you reach it, on the right hand side you will see one option by the name of create API key. Just click on that button, done the setup, and once you've done all the steps, you will get your API token. You just have to copy that token from here and paste it in this field. And I want you to know that for generating this API key, your OpenAI account is need to be paid. After that, the assistant settings with multiple options, you can set this based on on your needs. If you want to add any header, footer, then you can enable this toggle and enter. If you want to add any stop keywords, then you can enter it in this field. Stop keywords works like, for example, you have entered any stop keyword in this field and the user will send exact that keyword to your AI assistant, then your AI assistant will become stop, and on that point human inputs is required to restart the conversation. I am not giving any stop keywords too. Next, the retry attempts. Retry attempts is defined as how many times your AI assistant will retry to give replies to your user. You can increase it till 10. Now the last one is the fallback message. The fallback message is the message that's sent to the user if AI assistant fails to reply due to some technical error such as API key problem or an connection issue. Now move towards the most crucial part of doing a setup of AI assistant, where you just have to upload the knowledge base file. What is knowledge base? So knowledge base is the information bank for AI assistant. With knowledge base, AI assistant gives business specific and accurate replies, but without knowledge base, AI assistant gives general responses. As it is visible that I have created this AI assistant for a cloud kitchen, so for that I have already created a knowledge base file before. See, this is how the knowledge base file look like. You have to make sure that this file contains all the information about your business, and I have created this by my choice. You can customize it. It plays an important role, so create it carefully. I have created this knowledge base file by using Google Docs and downloaded it in a PDF format, and I want you to know that the file size should be less than 90 MB and the accepted formats are .txt or .pdf. There is no page limit for text PDF, but if the PDF has images, then it is limited to 10 pages. For uploading a knowledge base file, you just have to click on this option, click on this add new file, and then just drag and drop this file here. After that, you just have to click on this upload files button, and this is how easily you can upload the knowledge base file. Next one is the assistant interface. Here you can give design to your assistant by making changes in each of these fields. At first, I have entered the heading as AI sales assistant, and you can see that as soon as I have made the changes in this field, it will automatically appear here too. So this is the final look of the assistant that are going to visible in front of your user. You can also change the settings by your own choice. After that, the styling. Here you can give style to your assistant by making changes in its themes, colors, and shape. As it is looking good, so I'm not changing it, but you can customize it from here if you want to. After doing this setup, you just have to click on the save button so that your assistant will saved. So this is how easily you can set up a WhatsApp assistant by using Pabbly Chatflow. This single tool is going to be really beneficial for you and your business. So go and purchase it. Now, after doing this setup, you just have to set this assistant to all of your contacts. For that, you just have to click on the settings option and go in this inbox settings. See, this is the inbox settings of Pabbly Chatflow, where you just have to scroll down and you will see one option by the name of AI auto reply settings. You have to make sure that to enable this toggle. After that, select the contact list from here that I am selecting as all contacts and select the assistant from this drop down. Here I have selected. After that, you just have to click on the save button. So now I think you might be wondering how you can add your contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. So for that, you just have to go in this contacts feature and add bulk contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. You can add up to 2 lakhs contacts by just one click. So this is how interesting this single tool is. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add your contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Check the description below for the video link. Now the setup and the creation of our assistant is fully completed. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while understanding the setup, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. And not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp assistant by using Pabbly Chatflow. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.